Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's actually your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasming. When this happens, it forces you to take a quick breath in. But here's the twist, your vocal cords snap shut at the same time, blocking the air and making that classic hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even stress. Most of the time, they go away on their own, but if they stick around too long, it could mean something more serious. So next time you hiccup, just know your body's throwing a tiny tantrum.